What's up, guys? Four-wheeler doctor back again. Hey, today I'm gonna do a little different video. I didn't do a teardown video of this thing, but this is a 650 Rincon, and this is about the third or fourth one I've had this happen on. And I just didn't do a video because I'm not real big on doing a video when I'm not 100% sure what the problem is. But once I dug in here, I figured it out, and it was what I thought it was. But so I didn't have the first part of it, but I just wanted to show you what the issue was. What this 650 is, what it was doing when they dropped it off, it would crank, but it took a little bit to get it to crank up and run, and it had zero power. Like, you could actually give it all the gas and it would barely pull itself, and actually wouldn't pull itself up just the smallest hill to get it here in my shop. So I hadn't seen one this bad, but what the problem is on these 650s, for some reason the cam lobes wear out. So you can see this is a cam here, this is the old cam, and if there wasn't shiny spots on it, you couldn't tell where a lobe used to be. But there used to be a lobe right there, and it's amazing that this bike would even run. But it would run, but just had no power. As a comparison, I will show you the new cam. All I'm doing here is I'm going to change the cam chain. See that lobe there? How tall that stands up? And then this one here, pretty much non-existent. So I don't know what the deal is with those. Nothing else is worn out. The cylinder piston there looks real good. The followers that go along this cam, the little pad that it rides on, they don't have any wear on them. Just the bike doesn't have any power. The other one I had like this, it would run, it ran a lot better, but it would only go about 35 miles an hour. And when you rev it up, it seemed like everything was working fine, but when you got it out on the road, it would shift through all the gears. When it got in third gear, it just never seemed like it sped up. I thought it was something to do with the transmission, checked all kind of stuff on it. Come to find out, it was the cam lobes that were worn. And in that one, the other one that would only run 35 miles an hour, it actually had a little sliver of the cam lobe still standing up, so you could see where the cam lobe used to be, and the part that was worn down where the pad just didn't ride all the way across it. So when I saw that, I knew that that was the issue. So if you guys happen to have a Rincon that's way underpowered, particularly 650s, I don't think this happened on the 680s, but particularly 650s, that cam chain, or that cam lobes would be a good place to check. Not really that hard to change. You just have to pull the head off. It's going to be a little bit for me because I'm going to have to take that cam chain out, but the just changing out the cam is very simple on these things. It's actually up in the motor, up on top. So just take the head, rocker arm covers the heads off, and put the cam in, put it back together. Just wanted to stick that out there in a video. It's not a how-to like I normally do, just because I'm too deep in now to start a video. But check out my other videos, hit the like button, subscribe. Y'all have a good day.